AI is changing everything, from writing and coding to design and creativity. But which AI tools are actually worth using? In this video, we're breaking down the best AI tools that can make your life easier, whether you're a writer, developer, or designer. AI tools for writing. If you're a blogger, marketer, or student, AI-powered writing tools can help you write faster, improve quality, and even generate ideas. 1. ChatGPT and Claude. These are some of the best AI writing assistants for brainstorming, outlining, and generating text for blogs, articles, or emails. 2. Jasper AI. Perfect for copywriting, ad scripts, and social media content. It's built for marketers and businesses that need high-quality, persuasive writing. 3. Copy.ai. If you want quick, SEO-friendly content, Copy.ai is great for writing blog posts, social media captions, and product descriptions. 4. Grammarly and Quillbot. These AI tools help refine your writing, fix grammar mistakes, and even rewrite sentences to make your content sound more professional. With these tools, you can write better, faster, and with more confidence. AI tools for coding. AI is also making coding easier than ever, helping developers write, debug, and optimize code in seconds. 1. GitHub Copilot. This AI tool writes code for you, suggests improvements, and helps you fix errors. It's like having an AI-powered coding assistant. 2. ChatGPT and Codeum. Great for explaining complex code, generating functions, and debugging problems. If you're stuck on an error, these AI assistants can often provide instant solutions. 3. Tabnine. A must-have for developers who want faster code completion. It predicts what you're about to type, saving you time and effort. 4. OpenAI Codex. The AI behind GitHub Copilot, Codex can convert natural language into code, making it perfect for beginners who want to learn how to code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, AI can help you code smarter and more efficiently. AI tools for design. Graphic design is no longer just for professionals. AI tools make it easy for anyone to create stunning visuals. 1. Canva AI and Adobe Firefly. These AI-powered tools allow you to generate beautiful designs, remove backgrounds, and create social media graphics instantly. 2. Midjourney and DALL-E. If you need AI-generated art, these tools can create high-quality, realistic images from text prompts. Perfect for illustrators, marketers, and creatives. 3. Runway ML, a powerful AI tool for video editing, animation, and motion graphics. It can even remove objects from videos automatically. 4. Chroma. If you're into branding and web design, Chroma uses AI to generate unique color palettes that fit your brand's aesthetic. With these AI tools, anyone can create professional-level designs, whether it's for social media, websites, or even art projects. The future of AI tools. AI is not here to replace humans, it's here to make things easier. Whether you're a writer, coder, or designer, using AI can save you time, boost your creativity, and improve your workflow. So, if you haven't started using these AI tools yet, now is the time. Pick the ones that fit your needs, experiment, and watch how they transform the way you work.